Okay, YouTubers, this is actually going to be part 2 of the trunk floor. This is actually going to be a short video. Um, I'm just letting y'all know it's actually better to buy a whole trunk area that's all complete. Because what I did was I bought piece by piece by piece. And it's been a little bit of a headache for me. One is the brace here. This whole brace, as you know, you see here, which is fine until you go here, which is not. How it's way off. And the way that these pins are actually mounted, they're going to have to be mounted on this drop that I installed in. There's a little increase here, and it goes from here all the way down, where this here lines up. So once I put it in, there we go. That's how it's supposed to look. And you just spot weld these into this here. But I will have to move this line, and this here I will have to spot weld that as well. If some of y'all have convertibles and stuff like that, I got some braces right here that they go on. Yep. Stuck it on the wrong way. They go on like that. But this has to get cut and then put in to match with this, so it bolts to that. Some cars have this. My car didn't have it. So I just got to do these same way I did these. But at least this actually helps stiffen your rear of the body, make it sturdy, I guess. And then here, this has to go in as well. But that's pretty much, my next one's gonna be doing the wheel wells as soon as I get all of this done. So it'll be another part 3. All right, everybody, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. This was just a little quick that I just wanted to show you how to install this on and weld it on. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And I'll show you the next video will be the final results of everything put together. All right. Bye.